Such a beautiful composition from the movie called Avathaaram, acted by respected Nasser sir. Such a great acting and the musical composition by respected Maestro Ilayaraja sir. Just mind blowing. I tried with various instruments and I'm just blessed with this musical composition and playing in different instrument selections in the keyboard. Imagine if the same song has been played in such original instrument, we will definitely have a feeling like we are flying in the heaven. Such a great composition. Thank you, sir. It is because of this kind of beautiful, soulful, lovely musical composition one cannot escape from being a Raja sir's fan. The great Ilayaraja sir, maestro, the legendary of music. Thank you, sir. Thank you once again. Thank you so much from the soul. I'm soulfully and really thanking you for this amazing, beautiful, soulful, each and every composition. Thank you, Raja sir. Thank you. Thank you very much.